I think most people are familiar with the different views that you can have of your Outlook calendar: day, work week, month, and so on. But did you know there are even more? Hi, I'm Ann Michael Henry, Workplace Productivity Strategist with Mise en Place, and I'd like to show you what those other views are. So on the left-hand side, in the column, you can see 2 months at a time. If you hover over that line below the third month, you can pull that line down and you'll get an additional month. You can also, on the line between your actual calendar and the month view, move that to the right and you'll see 6 months, and you can keep moving it and see even more. So that gives you the opportunity to look out several months to check dates. And now you'll notice on this calendar that the week of July 9th is highlighted. Well, let's say you'd like to see 2 weeks at a time. On the left-hand side of that, go ahead and hit Shift and click on the next week, and all of a sudden you can now see 2 different weeks on your calendar. One of my favorite is seeing random individual days at a time. Oftentimes someone will say to you, yes, I'd like to meet. I am available on the 13th, the 18th, and the 21st. Well, we're jockeying back and forth between those dates, trying to determine our availability. If you go to the day view and then hold the control button and say the 13th, the 18th, and the 21st, and guess what? You are now viewing those 3 days and you can determine your availability at the same time without jockeying back and forth between those dates. Hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to the Mise en Place channel so that you can get more tips. Thanks and have a great day.